Hey, Andrew from Ozito. It's really cool to have established trees in your yard. However, sometimes they need a bit of maintenance. Like this old tree's got a branch that I need to cut down. Now I'm going to show you how to do it without a ladder.
When you first get your pole pruner, there's a little bit of assembly before you get started. Let's go through the setup. Grab your chain and align it in the groove, ensuring the direction of the cutting teeth match the diagram on the bar. Use the red knob to tighten the chain tension and the black to tighten the bar. Now top up your oil, and here's a quick tip. Always use chain bar oil as it's much stickier by design than other oils, which will maximise the life of the chain. Here's a great feature of the pole pruner. You can easily change the head from vertical to horizontal to get those tricky to reach branches. When pruning overhead, it's extremely important to be able to adjust all parts of your pole pruner. It gives you maximum control through the cut, and let's not forget it makes it a lot safer and easier to use.
A really handy tip is to take the branch down in smaller pieces so it's much safer.
Packed full of features, the pole pruner is a powerful and easy to use tool for the garden. With a little bit of patience, the chain and motor will do all the hard work for you.
Every year there's more and more DIYers getting hurt while they're on ladders. So it's time to get off the ladder and use a pole pruner to bring that branch down.